People are increasingly turning to video content for entertainment, information, and essential material, spanning music, humor, reviews, tutorials, advertising, and movie trailers. Strategy for video marketing: videos evoke strong emotional responses in viewers, particularly humorous, startling, stunning, and motivational ones, making them highly effective online. They facilitate experiential marketing by allowing viewers to connect with the content emotionally and envision themselves in the scenarios portrayed. Content and advertisements in video marketing. Video content serves to entertain, educate, and inform, similar to articles or blogs, offering valuable non-promotional material for the audience. In contrast, video ads are straightforward advertisements tailored for digital distribution, either repurposed TV ads shared online or custom-made ads for the internet. How to go viral in video marketing. The ultimate goal in video marketing is achieving virality, where content spreads rapidly online from one user to others, gaining an ever-expanding audience as it becomes more popular. Video content is on the rise, encompassing various forms from entertainment to tutorials, and it's accessible to anyone globally, as proven by viral YouTube videos. Effective video marketing relies on eliciting strong emotional responses, aligning with experiential marketing principles, and conveying brand identity. For more insights and strategies, don't forget to visit our website.